cost-benefit analysis of the AI systems. The final conclusion here is to evaluate the benefits granted by AI against the human costs to see if the adoption of this newly matured technology is justified or not. We must also understand that even most of the technological advancements of the past also came with their own limitations or dangers. The solution does not lie with throwing away the technology, but it lies in finding the way of overcoming limitations and reducing the dangers. Every technological development can be used for the development of mankind or its destruction. For example, we can use dynamites to make mining easy, or we can also use them as weapons. Nuclear power can be used to improve the quality of life of human beings as well as to create biological weapons. AI technology is similar. It can be used for the good of mankind or its destruction. Overall, the society will have to come up with ethical guidelines on data and AI systems as it has done for many of the other technologies. The violations of these guidelines, rules or regulations will have to be punished appropriately.